Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do today is take a couple of minutes and walk you through this particular machine that I have here. This is the IPC Eagle CT230, one of the many great products that we offer from IPC Eagle, and this particular machine is in the large category scrubber. So let me take a couple minutes and I'll walk you through it. Depending on the size of your facility, obviously there are scrubbers to fit every size. This particular model, the CT230, is in the large category. So whether you're cleaning 50,000 square feet or even up to 200,000 square feet, this machine can absolutely do the job. Now, this particular model comes with two different deck types, a disc style and cylindrical. And what I'm going to show you today is the cylindrical model that we have here that will scrub and sweep at the same time. What's the benefit to that? Well, why spend time sweeping your facility before you scrub? Let the machine do both at the same time. Let me show you how that's done. As you look at the machine, you'll see, number one, at the front it's got two dual side brooms. These are important because they, A, help get closer to the edges of your racking, and B, it sweeps the debris under the machine to the deck so you have less trash getting stuck in your squeegee, which causes streaks and more trash in your recovery tank. So on this model, you have dual brooms which can be operated independently, left or right, separate from the scrub system by pulling down these two handles. As we work our way towards the back, this is the scrub deck. This has got a 42-inch scrub path. So it has two rotating cylindrical brushes, and because you're not pre-sweeping, even if you do some, the debris you pick up is going to go into this large stainless steel hopper where it's going to catch the debris. And again, that reduces the trash getting sucked up in your squeegee, which causes streaks and goes into your recovery tank. But with the CT230, you've got this big debris tray that can pick it up and then just simply slide it back on the rail and you're ready to go. As we move around to the back, you'll see it's got a large 50-inch squeegee tool which pivots from side to side as we're scrubbing. There's a crash bar in the back to minimize employees backing into equipment. You can see you've got a large drain hose for draining out the dirty tank on the one side and a smaller hose on the opposite side if you need to drain your clean soap and water. But again, with this squeegee tool, does a great job giving you a really dry floor, simple to service, and your rubber can be taken off and rotated as it wears. And again, all this is very simple without any tools. Underneath the seat, if we lift this up, gives you access to your circuits. So easy maintenance there. Your charging plug would come off here to go to your charger. And of course your battery pack, and there's different batteries available depending on if you want wet flooded or AGM maintenance-free batteries, but all that is available. Nice large seat, which is adjustable depending on the operator. As we come to the back of the machine, now we're going to see the recovery tank. So by lifting up this lid, you've got a latch here to keep it from falling, but the way this is designed, very simple. You fill it up here because the clean water is going in the walls and all underneath. Holds 52 gallons. It does come with a quick fill, so you could hook up a hose to this and then quickly fill it hands-free. Inside of the tank has another debris basket here, so in case it sucks up any debris you didn't sweep, it's going to go inside here. It has a float switch underneath here to shut off the machine when you have a full tank. And it's got a foam brake, so in case you get a lot of foam, you're not going to suck that into your vac motor, which is the number one reason vac motors fail on scrubbers, is from dust, dirt, and foam. Let me show you the operation of this machine. Again, the design is open, so I have great visibility, left side, right side, so I can either scrub on the left. I have an independent side broom, of course, my scrub deck and squeegee, or I can do it on the right side. When I'm done scrubbing, or if I don't want to use the side brooms, I just pull them up, and now they're off the ground. I have a very simple foot pedal for moving the machine. So by pushing it down, that'll control the speed. And I have a parking brake for safety when I'm dumping it or leaving the machine unattended. And by hitting that, it releases it. Very simple. Let's go through the basic operation. When I turn on the power, you're instantly going to be given the volts in the machine and the hours. You've got an emergency stop button. Should there be a problem, you can hit that. That kills all the power. You have a simple forward or reverse button. And once I have it in reverse, the light comes on when I hit the gas pedal with the reverse horn. And then I have a speed control. So I don't have to just control the speed with my foot pedal. I can control it here as well to make it easier for the operator. As we look up the dash here, I can adjust the flow rate, how fast the water comes out when I'm in the scrub mode. I can turn on and off the side brushes. I can turn on and off the vacuum if I want to wet scrub or scrub and dry the floor. I got two indicator lights, one that tells me when I'm out of clean water, and this one tells me when my dirty tank is full. This is if you got the disc style machine that you could automatically drop off those brushes. As I said, this has the cylindrical brushes, so this you wouldn't need. The last part is to show you very simple. You can program this machine to have 3 different settings to make it easier for the operators. So for light scrubbing, light down pressure, and not a lot of solution chemical, by hitting the one button, what it does, it goes through an initial test. The deck went down, the squeegee went down, it spun the brushes because the system is checking for any errors. And now, when I hit the gas, I'll be vacuuming, I'll be scrubbing, and I'll have level 2 water flow. So again, very simple by pushing one button. When I'm done, hit the same button again. The deck comes up, the squeegee comes up, and now I'm just driving the machine. I have 2 more choices that I can add more down pressure, more solution flow, but I can pre-program it depending on the conditions and the operator. And the last thing on the control, if I push that, it gives me my battery. So I can see I have a full charge. Push it again, and it goes back to the hour meter and how many volts are in the system. So as you can see, this machine offers a lot of value, a lot of features and benefits to make it a great scrubber. And again, for large areas, whether you're 50,000 up to 200,000, this machine, depending on the battery pack, can run up to 4 hours of scrub time. It'll do about 50,000, 55,000 square feet per hour. So if I got 4 hours of run time, that's almost 200,000 square feet of true scrubbing. So this is definitely a machine if you need something larger, you have large square footage. As I said, you can get it in disc or cylindrical to scrub and sweep. For more information, give us a call, Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.